today's plan is really just to put on the CV axles in the front and put on the wheels in the front, check the rear wheels that I've tightened everything up, and then the plan is to roll the car outside, even though it looks like a monster truck in the rear. I'm thinking I'm gonna push the car outside because now it's like the winter period in Norway. It gets dark really fast. So, and what I saw was the sun is out. So I'm thinking roll the car out and before the sun goes down, take some pictures, maybe some video, B-roll type video, and it's not progress, but just for fun. Don't want to let the heat out though. So okay, let's see if we can make it. This is annoying. I did not even notice. So I had the car outside, just barely made it, as you saw, but the car was really difficult to push. There is something, the car was not in gear, but there was something holding everything back. It might be the wheel bearings in the rear, but it was kind of also when we pushed it outside, some sound came from, you know, the transfer case area. So not sure precise what made the sound and what made the car difficult to push, but yeah, that's another thing to add to the to-do list, the never-ending to-do list. Okay, until next time.